surprise. Guess what?
Yeah, what's that?
She prepared one of my favorite meal that she named the chicken tender salad.
Okay.
And it was so delicious that her husband asked for it every day.
That's fine.
And for me, I'll ask for it every hour.
Okay.
Because I love greens.
Yeah, you love
yes,
it.
that dish was so yummy. It looks very delicious. And when we talk of the health aspect, I love it. And then to my surprise again.
What happened like
my daughter, SweetAdjeley, gave a varieties a shout.
Oh wow, that's very beautiful of her.
In fact, come and see me. I was jumping, I was dancing. My usual thing.
Yeah.
I was like, hey, how can this big YouTuber give me a shout? In fact, so
that means Ed Variety is doing a very good job,
I was so excited. I was running helter scatter. I was dancing and I had a good sleep. For the fact that the whole thing was like a coincidence, like my best kind of food.
Okay.
That was what she prepared. And then she gave me a shout out.
It's a coincidence,
Come and see my actress.
Then you really slept well yesterday, right?
And this food, or the chicken's tender salad, is so good for my actress. I even said it in the comment section because all those ingredients are very healthy and it's good for the actress. It also stimulates urine production. So I was wee throughout
the night.
So what if I eat the food itself? And then it activated my digestive system.
Wow. Then why don't we watch the video, then we'll come back?
Okay. Let's watch the video.
So we are back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you seen what I was saying?
I saw a lot,
It was super
I also
delicious.
have a lot to say. Very, very delicious. I was even salivating. Wow. It's just a simple dish and a simple meal, but rich in nutrients.
And it prevents high blood pressure. Though I don't have high blood pressure.
The food alone prevents high blood pressure.
Yes.
Watching it alone could reduce your blood pressure.
Yes, if you are watching.
It's bad.
And then when you take it in, it's going to do that same work. So we need to go in for these foods because it's very healthy. And it also supplies vitamins or vitamin, and it can prevent cancer.
Yeah.
All those ingredients in there.
I know what you are talking about. You are talking about cucumber. You know,
cucumber is there, lettuce is there,
you know,
all the veggies.
One of the benefits of cucumber, you know, is high in vitamin K, which helps in strong bones and it prevents cancer. It promotes a good hydration. You know, you will take in a lot of water. It helps. So
So you know now why I'm so excited,
yeah,
because the meal itself plus the shara. Imagine me, SweetAdjeley, giving me a shara. Let me speak. SweetAdjeley, oh fine, me dabo shiwa. Ni na video nke bakwe shafefe holo. Me tell my dabo shi for just saying that shara. I was so excited. Thank you. You job. One soliake me pi back when this your video me pi subscribe. That's our prayer.
Yes, take it like that.
So that's all. So Lovelies, please, if you don't have SweetAdjeley, who is SweetAdjeley? Do you know her?
You know, SweetAdjeley is doing well in the YouTube industry. You know, she's one of the female Ghanaian YouTubers with the highest subscribers. You know, over 1 million subscribers on YouTube.
Yeah.
You know, she's doing well, bringing recipes day in, day out, and you know, it's very hard back to back, giving it back to back. You know, she's really doing a good job, and you know, I've been following her. You know, she's doing a great job. So SweetAdjeley, you know, she's my elder sister. You know, that's her.
So Lovelies, go check her channel, support her. This is what we are preaching about. It's full of healthy diet, so go check her out. If you don't have her, please subscribe to her channel, and do well to subscribe to our channel too if you think what we are doing is good. Varieties, yes. Now we are into reaction. We are reacting about the bad and the good of all the cookings on the streets, Whitey streets. So we see you. What do you have to say?
Keep on exercising. You can't just eat and sleep. Exercise when it's morning. Drink a lot of water. You know, you live a good health. You know, Eat Variety is all about good living.
Yes, please do try and please try the chicken tender salad.
At your home.
Try it and you see how your arteries are going to be fine. You see how your digestive system will be great. So until we see you, it's bye, SweetAdjeley.